Hi, Dan from ReadyLIFT, and I'm here on about the 2-year anniversary of our 69-1040 4-inch SST Lift Kit for the 9 to 18 half-ton Rams. Now, we've had great success selling this kit, and we thought it was time for an upgrade. So we're going to introduce to you a new kit called the 69-1041. It's essentially the same as the 1040, meaning it's a 4-inch kit, courtesy of a strut extension at the top and a preload spacer on the coil, but it's going to feature an improved control arm and Bilstein shocks for the rear. Now, when we made the original 1040, we took care to sacrifice the factory arms with the pressed-in ball joints for Dom tube, pivot angle corrected, HD ball joint with a urethane bushing. These came off this truck. They've been on for over 2 years. We got 40,000 miles on them. They're still performing just fine. But on this new kit, we're going to introduce our TCT bushing. It's a dual polymer, self-lubricating, maintenance-free bushing that features knurled washers for alignment. It still has the corrected cup angle, and it still has the HD spring-loaded ball joint. Now, on this particular truck, we chose to go ahead and upgrade the front with the Bilstein shock body. Now, we set it to factory height, and we still use the 1040 preload. This shock does not come in the new 1041 kit, but we will make it available to you on our website and through our distribution channels. Now for the rear, we went with a 2-inch longer Bilstein 5100 series shock. The shock is designed for trucks from 0 to 2 inches of lift, and it will improve the dampening in the rear and provide a little better roughing. On the rear of the 69-1041 kit, it's basically the same as the 69-1040, meaning it has a spring spacer, a bump stop extension, but in this case, instead of no shock solution, we're including a Bilstein 5100 series rear shock. To learn more about this kit, please visit ReadyLIFT.com, and as always, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.